An arrest has been made in the murder of this mother. Monica Islam was shot and killed in Eustis back in May. Lake County deputies say the killer was her brother-in-law. Fox 35's Randy Hildreth joins us live with that story. So Randy, this is not the first incident between these two.
Yeah, good evening to you, John. Detectives say there was a domestic disturbance between the victim, her husband, and brother-in-law back in December of 2024. They say after looking into that and then tracking the brother-in-law's movements, the day Monica Islam left work and her body was found, they say they feel like they have identified the right guy.
We love you, Monica.
When we spoke to Monica Islam's daughter, Remy, back in May, she was balancing grief and hope.
And I do know I'm going to get some good news soon.
4 months later, Lake County Sheriff's Office publicly named the person they believe killed her mom.
We believe wholeheartedly that Monica Islam's brother-in-law, Shahidul Islam, committed the murder.
Within days of the alleged crime, Lake County investigators say they tracked Shahidul Islam to New York, and he was taken into custody with the help of the U.S. Marshal Service. They say he rented a car the day of the alleged murder and took off. But it may take some time before he's back here to answer for this murder charge. He's in federal custody for illegal re-entry to the United States.
To be clear, we don't want him deported. We want him to come back here and be held accountable for Monica's murder.
Deputies found Islam's body on the side of the road in Mount Dora back in May. During the investigation, Lake County deputies learned Monica was involved in a domestic dispute with her husband and Shahidul Islam in December 2024. Investigators say Shahidul allegedly pointed a gun at her then, and they believe her husband left the country. They say months later, Shahidul lured Monica away from her job at the Shell gas station before killing her and dumping her body.
Arrived at the Shell gas station where Monica worked roughly around 5:15, and then by 5:30 he called her cell phone, and then they could see her on security camera footage walking out, getting in the car he was driving, and then shortly thereafter is when her body was discovered.
Deputies haven't released a motive, but say that domestic incident centered around a property in Bangladesh. And detectives say they ID'd the brother-in-law almost immediately, but it took some time to alert the public about more information with this case because they were also managing the immigration aspect of this case. I'll send it back to you live tonight. Randy Hildreth, Fox 35 News.